Oi gente, tudo bem? Hi guys, I'm G from Brazil and I created this channel to be the solution if you're planning a trip to Brazil. You don't need to search in hundreds of blogs and channels. In this place, you'll find everything to help to plan your trip to Brazil. Where to go, what to do, a food guide, history, everything. So if you're considering to come to Brazil, subscribe and let's go. In this video, I'm gonna tell you what I would do if I had only one day in Sao Paulo city. Food, places to go, and some safety tips. Let's start? First of all, what about learning how to say the name of the city? Sao Paulo. I know it can be a little bit hard, especially if you're a native English speaker, but that's it. Sao Paulo. But don't worry, of course, if you say Sao Paulo or Sao Paulo, we all understand and it's very cute. And to make this video, I'll suppose you have one full day in Sao Paulo, okay? And let's start with your breakfast. Write down these two options. Pão de queijo and Café Coado. If you want to know the most popular way of making coffee in Brazil, after this video, have a look in the card somewhere here. Second option, pão na chapa and Café Coado. Again, sorry, there's no way you leave Brazil without trying my favorite coffee. Then you can take a metro to the downtown. It's great there. Full of history, nice monuments, churches. Guys, in Brazil, avoid using gold or anything that shines, you know? Especially in the downtown. I believe in Sao Paulo it's safer to visit the downtown from Monday to Friday on weekdays, okay? I would avoid to go on weekends. This video specifically is from Sao Paulo, but I need to tell you, if you are going to Rio de Janeiro, don't go to the downtown of Rio de Janeiro on Sundays. It's not safe. Okay, coming back to our video, save about 2 or 3 hours to visit the downtown. Well, after that, you can take an Uber or you can walk to the municipal market. Guys, you need to be there hungry, okay? There will be a lot of good food to try. But 2 of them are unmissable. Does it exist? Unmissable. Well, I think this is the most famous food to try in Sao Paulo. Sanduiche de Mortadela. And to drink, you can have a Guarana. Guarana is a Brazilian soft drink. Made from Brazilian fruit, Guarana. After the lunch, explore the municipal market and the amazing fruits that you find there. While you walk in the market, there will be people offering free samples of fruits. It's okay, you can accept. There's no problem. Personally, normally I try to accept the free samples from the place I intend to buy something, but it's totally fine if you get a free sample and walk away. It's okay. The price for the fruits are normally higher there, but the fruits are very beautiful and fresh. And personally, I don't mind to pay a little bit more if I'm already there, you know. Guys, in this video, I'm not detailing every single place because the video would be too long. This video is an overview of what to do in one day in Sao Paulo. I'm making videos every week and soon there will be one video for each attraction, full of detail, prices, how to get there, the history behind. After the municipal market, you can choose to take a metro or Uber and go to Liberdade, the Japanese neighborhood, or to Avenida Paulista, the Paulista Avenue. You probably don't have time for both, so I would go to Paulista Avenue, not only because it's like a landmark of Sao Paulo, but also if you go to Liberdade, you should be there when you are hungry, because you know, you have to try the local food. It's very good, but you know, you just came back from the municipal market where you had the Sanduiche de Mortadela. Well, I'm letting you know that this place exists and it's very cool. But if you go there, go for eating something. So because of this, I would go to Paulista Avenue. And after walk a little bit in Paulista Avenue or Avenida Paulista, it's time to go to Ibirapuera Park. Guys, it's a park. There are many things to see there and I strongly recommend you to rent a bike. It's very cheap and if you don't do, you won't see half of the park. And in the park, it's time to drink a coconut water or to have an acai cream. Save about 2 hours to visit the park and about 1.5 hours to stay in Avenida Paulista. And the last place before we start talking about the nightlife, you can take an Uber and go to Beco do Batman or Batman Alley. It's where there's the famous graffiti area. And if if after all this walk you're still strong for a drink, I would go to Vila Madalena. It's the district where there are many bars. Guys, at night I don't feel safe to take a metro or bus. At night I recommend you to take Uber or taxi. And I plan the day in this order because if it's summer, it can be very hot to walk in the downtown in the afternoon. But in Ibirapuera Park, it's full of trees and flowers, so it's fresher. But of course, you can change the order if you want. As long as you don't go to the bar in the morning, it will be closed. Just joking, guys. So if you're still here, it's because this video helped you somehow. So please like the video, subscribe, it helps a lot, and share this video with your friend who is coming to Brazil with you. And finally, if you have questions, ask in the comments. I reply your comment here on YouTube. And have a wonderful time in Brazil. Bye!